Today we are going to explore a powerful strategy that can help you achieve debt freedom and take control of your financial life. But before we dive in, let me tell you a story. Meet Alex, a young professional with dreams of traveling the world and starting a business. However, like many of us, Alex found themselves drowning in debt, student loans, credit card balances, and personal loans, all piling up, making it feel like there's no way out. Frustrated and determined to change their financial destiny, Alex stumbled upon a book that would turn their life around, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Inside, they discovered the secret to financial freedom, the Debt Snowball Method. Before we delve into the step-by-step guide, let's truly understand the Debt Snowball Method. It's a simple yet highly effective approach to paying off debt, as outlined in The Total Money Makeover. The Debt Snowball Method prioritizes clearing your debts from smallest to largest balance, regardless of interest rates. But why focus on the smallest balances first? According to Dave Ramsey, the author of the book, the key lies in small wins and motivation. By targeting the smallest debts initially, you experience quick victories, creating a snowball effect that fuels your determination to tackle larger debts later on. Consider this scenario: you have 3 debts with balances of $1,000, $5,000, and $10,000. The Debt Snowball Method suggests you pay off the $1,000 debt first, even if it has the lowest interest rate. Once that's paid off, you add the amount you were paying towards the debt to the next smallest debt's minimum payment. This process continues, and as each debt gets paid off, you have more money available to tackle the larger debts, creating a snowball effect that gains momentum over time. The psychological impact of the Debt Snowball Method cannot be underestimated. Starting with small wins gives you a sense of accomplishment early on, providing the motivation and confidence to keep going. As you eliminate each debt, you gain momentum, pushing you closer to your goal of debt freedom. With a clear understanding of the Debt Snowball Method, it's time to assess your debt situation, an essential starting point on your journey to financial freedom. As The Total Money Makeover advises, gather all your bills and take a deep breath. It's time to face the numbers. List every debt you owe, from credit cards to personal loans. Write down the outstanding balance, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. This comprehensive list serves as your roadmap to financial freedom, providing a clear view of your debt landscape. Understanding your total debt load and its components will help you formulate a realistic debt payoff plan that aligns with your financial goals. Facing your debt head-on can be overwhelming, but remember that you're taking the first step towards taking control of your financial future. You're not alone in this journey, and The Total Money Makeover offers valuable advice and strategies to help you succeed. With your debt landscape in hand, it's time to create a debt payoff plan. This involves setting up a budget that allocates funds for debt repayment, as recommended by Dave Ramsey. Keep a close eye on your income and expenses. By tracking diligently and identifying areas where you can cut back, you'll increase your debt payoff fund significantly. The Total Money Makeover advises adopting a beans and rice mentality. Cut back on non-essential expenses and focus on a simple and frugal lifestyle until you've eliminated your debts. This disciplined approach will help you achieve your goals faster. Now, let's talk about the Debt Snowball Method in the context of your debt payoff plan. By listing your debts from smallest to largest, you'll have a clear order in which to tackle them. Starting with the smallest debt can give you a sense of accomplishment early on, propelling you forward with increased motivation. Consider this: you have 5 debts with balances of $500, $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, and $10,000. With the Debt Snowball Method, you'd focus on paying off the $500 debt first, while making minimum payments on the others. Once that's paid off, you add the amount you were paying towards the debt to the next smallest debt's minimum payment, and so on. This strategic approach maximizes the impact of your debt repayment. Now let's put the Debt Snowball Method into action. Begin by paying the minimum on all debts except the smallest one, the one with the lowest balance. The Total Money Makeover encourages you to attack that smallest debt with all your might. Put any extra money you can find toward it, like bonuses, tax refunds, or additional income sources. Once you've paid off the smallest debt, celebrate that victory, no matter how small. According to Dave Ramsey, acknowledging your progress will keep you motivated and determined to continue. Now, take the money you were putting toward the smallest debt and add it to the minimum payment of the next smallest debt. By doing this, you're creating a snowball effect. As each debt gets paid off, the freed up money goes towards the next one, and your snowball grows, gathering momentum with each debt eliminated. The Debt Snowball Method's beauty lies in the psychological impact it has on your debt payoff journey. By focusing on the small wins first, you'll experience a sense of accomplishment early on, creating a positive feedback loop that fuels your motivation to tackle larger debts. The Total Money Makeover emphasizes the power of focus and dedication in implementing the Debt Snowball Method. By directing your energy towards one debt at a time, you'll make significant progress and gain the momentum needed to tackle more significant debts. As you continue using the debt snowball method, something amazing starts to happen. Your momentum grows exponentially. Small wins become big wins, and your confidence soars. Success stories of individuals using this method flood your journey, giving you the inspiration to persevere through any challenges you face. The Total Money Makeover highlights that achieving quick wins is crucial for building determination and perseverance. Embrace each milestone on your journey to financial freedom. Consider this: with each debt you pay off, you free up more money to allocate towards the remaining debts. As the snowball grows, so does your momentum, accelerating your progress toward debt freedom. Let's say you started with 5 debts, and you've paid off 3. You now have 3 fewer debts to manage, and you can add the total of the minimum payments from those 3 debts to the minimum payment of the 4th debt. This boosts your debt payoff power and strengthens your momentum. Throughout your debt payoff journey, you may encounter various challenges that test your commitment to the debt snowball method. It's essential to address these challenges head-on. One common challenge is the temptation to spend impulsively. As you experience progress, you might feel a sense of reward and think you deserve a treat. However, the Total Money Makeover advises staying focused on the end goal, financial freedom. To overcome this challenge, set up small rewards for yourself at various milestones along your journey. Treat yourself with a modest celebration for each debt paid off. This way, you acknowledge your achievements without compromising your long-term goals. Another challenge is unexpected expenses. Life can throw curveballs that disrupt your budget and debt payoff plan. The key is to be prepared. Build an emergency fund as part of your financial plan to handle unforeseen expenses without derailing your debt payoff progress. The Total Money Makeover emphasizes the power of determination and persistence in the face of challenges. Stay committed to your debt payoff plan, adjust when needed, and remind yourself of the bigger picture: financial freedom and a debt-free future. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our debt snowball method journey. By now, you're armed with a powerful tool that can help you tackle your debt, take control of your finances, and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Remember, the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey provides valuable insights and strategies to guide you through your debt payoff journey. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Wealth Cliffs for more content on personal finance, investing, and building lasting wealth. Knowledge is the key to financial success, so keep learning and stay financially savvy. Until next time, stay debt-free and financially free. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and the information provided should not be considered as financial advice. Consult with a qualified financial professional before making any financial decisions.